Hi everyone, this is Kimatina. This screencast is going to show you some of the new things that you can find in the Apps Launcher when you sign into your Google account. So the Apps Launcher is the icon that is at the top right corner that kind of looks like a waffle. It's the Apps Launcher that will contain all of the apps that are available and enabled in our domain. So if you click on that icon, you're going to see a few more icons available for you. So if you click more, you're going to notice there's Jamboard here. So you can certainly start to use Jamboard. If you scroll down a little bit, you're going to notice that Screencastify um, app is available in the domain. So this is going to allow you to do what I'm doing right now, create screencast tutorial or feedback for your students. You're going to need to create an account for this, and you can certainly use the free version to provide directions, screencasts, and feedback for your students. And your students can use this as well. Sketchup for Schools is basically an application that you can use with your students so that they can create some type of architecture, drawings, and showcase a different maybe build-ins or creations um, that they want to create within their class or within their project. So all you have to do is basically click on it and it will open up and it will allow you to start drawing your build-in immediately. So there is a tutorial available for SketchUp for teachers and for students, and I would highly recommend that you go through that prior to assigning anything that you need completed with this application. All right. I hope you found this screencast helpful.